Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to understand why we need TypeScript. You know that if we have a most popular language of the world JavaScript, now what is the requirement of TypeScript? We should understand it now. You know that TypeScript nowadays are using in a whole type of project, in big project and secure projects, but everybody knows that debugging is not easy in JavaScript. It's a nightmare and we need to do hard work to understand the debugging in JavaScript. To make that simple, we have the TypeScript. So we just see the example here. Suppose we have this function here and I say add, and I just use arrow function, and in this function I am passing a value. I say num1 and I say num2, and here I return the sum of num1 plus num2, and I save this. Now I use console.log and I say sum of two number is equal to, and just we pass the add here and we pass a number like this, save it. So very simple, nothing is different here, and we say node and y.javascript, and you see sum of two number. Very simple to understand. Once again I use it, and now I just pass here like this, and you see that now it is also working. Very good, no problem in JavaScript. But you see, this kind of behavior of any language is very dangerous for banking applications, for high level of secure applications. If by mistaken programmer do some mistake, so it is very hard to debug and analyze those error in JavaScript. So now you see why we need the TypeScript. I just copy this program, the simple program, and I just paste this program in TypeScript, because all JavaScript program is basically the TypeScript program. Now you see, I run this program tsc. Why need ts? And I say w for watch mode. Now you see that here in TypeScript, because all JavaScript program are the TypeScript program, so whenever I compile, automatically this file will create automatically to change this. You see the function we passing here, we value, so this is compiled because all the JavaScript program can be run in TypeScript. So this program is also running and valid, but you see it indicating some error. It's saying that it's any type of parameter. Remember that it's any type. It coming here any. But if we are making a addition of two number, then we doesn't require the general data type any. We have to restrict it to the number. So in TypeScript we have an option here. We can do like this. We say that these are number, these are not a string. Now you see, as we do this and I save it, and you will see that we have an error. The string we have in place of number. So in JavaScript we can't do this. At the time of compilation or writing a code, we are not able to judge the mistake. But here in TypeScript you see that we are able to find out the error on a compilation time that there is a mistake. So we can solve this mistake and we can type here any other information. I save it and automatically it compiled and changed to this JavaScript. So you see that now this JavaScript outcome of TS, the TypeScript, is a right code, it's not a wrong one. So by using TypeScript we can write the JavaScript code but in a strict and secure manner. So that's why we prefer to use TypeScript in place of JavaScript in a big project development, and in the future maybe that this JavaScript is changed to TypeScript. So because TypeScript is the same as JavaScript but with more options, more secure options, with a secure coding that is reliable, we can say the reliability is available in TypeScript coding in place of JavaScript code. So that's all in this video to understand why we need TypeScript over JavaScript. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.